Today I have the 3-in-1 EMS body slimming machine. So let's open it up. First thing I notice is that it has 5 modes of EMS: removes fat, tightens skin, and relieves fatigue. I'm so excited for that. So let's see what's in the box. Okay. Here we go. So first thing I notice, I see the instruction manual in English, so that explains how to use it, and that will walk me through the entire process. So definitely you want to look at this first when you get it. Okay, next I see the machine here, and it looks it's very lightweight, and I can see the buttons here clearly outlined. And there's a plug here and the plug here. So it looks like this is for the EMS function, and this will plug in here. And then these pads are for the EMS. These look very easy to use and lightweight. So let's try to open one of these, see what we're working with. So, yeah, very sticky, as you can tell. There, okay. So that will stick very nicely to the skin. And then underneath is the plug to plug it in. So this will plug right into the bottom of the machine, right here. So I'm very excited to try it out. Stay tuned for my next video where I show you how to use it.